Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I'll show you how to create a exit button on Sketchware. Exit dialog box button. So let's start. I am creating a simple app for exit tutorial. Here we go. Here is the app. I'm giving a text view and typing here. Please subscribe. Now I am saving it and I'm giving the text view to 50 sp. Okay, this will be okay. Now I am going to event and tapping on the plus button and adding this activity on back pressed. Here we go. Now I am clicking on it and at first going to component and creating a new component of the dialog. Here you go. Here is the dialog. Now on back pressed clicked, set message, set OK button on click, cancel button on click, and dialog show. Dialog set all the component, dialog component. Here you go, everything is setted. Now we may give the set title, also dialog. So I am giving the title, and here you may give the name of your APK, the name of your apps. I am giving it exit, the name of the app, setting the message, are you sure you want to exit? Here you go. Now on OK button clicked, yes, and the cancel button, no. Okay, now on OK button clicked, we have to give the finish activity. That means on OK button clicked, the app will be closed, and on no clicked, nothing will happen. So now I am running the app. Please wait a while. I am installing the app. Here you see. Now if I click on the back button, here you see the dialog box. If I click no, then it is nothing. If I click yes, here you show, see, the app is closed. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel if you want to get latest good videos of Sketchware tutorials. So thank you.